Hello sports fans. Today I'm fixing a Yamaha P-255 88 key digital piano with a broken key. This is a physically broken key, not an electronics problem. Turn the keyboard over and remove the black screws from the front of the bottom. Remove the silver colored screws from the ends of the bottom and the rear of the bottom. Separate the top of the keyboard, being careful to not disturb any of the electronics, especially the ribbon cables. You can see that the rear of the broken key is out of position. Since it was broken, it was easy to remove, but I'll show you how to remove a key just in case you need to know. To remove a key, gently depress the black plastic locking tab with a small narrow screwdriver while you put some forward pressure on the key. It should move forward very easily. Very little force is required. Once it's forward, just lift it up and out. Here I'm removing the key's broken off piece. The broken off piece and the broken key mate together very nicely. To glue them back together, first lightly sand the outside surfaces with 220 grit sandpaper. Doing so roughs up the surfaces so that the epoxy will stick. Mix up some JB Weld epoxy. Apply some glue to the broken surfaces, then apply a little more epoxy to the sanded surfaces. Even though it's 5-minute epoxy, you still need to let this dry overnight. Reinstall the key. Listen closely and you can hear the locking tab snap into place. Put the top half of the piano back into position. Start a screw in each corner. That way the two halves won't fall apart when you turn it upside down. Reinstall the rest of the screws. Snug each one, then back it off a quarter turn. Once they're all in, then tighten them all. Yay! All fixed. Thanks for watching. Happy trails!